1 kilogram chicken mince. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon paprika powder. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon red chili flakes. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Add 2 eggs. 2 tablespoon cooking oil. Mix well. 3 tablespoon gram flour. Add cilantro leaves. Green chilies. 1 tablespoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon garam masala. Chaat masala. Keep it for 30 minutes. Fry whole spices. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon white pepper. Add boiled peas. Cover for 5 minutes. Add 1 cup yogurt. Add 4 cups of water. I forgot to record while adding rice. Make kebabs. Half fry the kebabs. Add oil in pot. Add ginger garlic paste and fry it. Add 1 onion. Fry until golden brown. Add to chopped tomatoes. Salt as per taste. 1 tablespoon red chili powder. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 teaspoon turmeric. Add half cup yogurt. Add fried kebabs and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Your delicious smoked kebab Karahi is ready. Don't forget to share your reviews, subscribe for more recipes.